playing on our school gym today. We're practicing our basketball. We practice our dribbling. We practice shooting hoops.
Oh, yes!
Sometimes we miss, but we keep trying. We love it when we score. We also love playing badminton. These are our badminton rackets. We try to encourage each other.
Great job, everyone!
When things are hard, we don't give up.
Well played. Well played.
Well played.
Well played.
We love table tennis. It's so fun. Table tennis is really hard. The ball keeps running away. We're going to practice our tricks.
How many subscribers are we going to get?
And there's another game we really love. It's pickleball.
Let's do pickleball!
The pickleball rackets are really heavy. We love playing in our school gym.
Sports!